Hi everybody, today we're going to talk and look at safety valves, in particular the difference between pressure relief valves and pressure safety valves. A pressure relief valve, such as the Albion ART 622, is designed to relieve the excess pressure within a system to prevent damage to that system and maintain the pressure within safe limits and prevent the system pressure from building further. The opening of the relief valve is gradual and proportional to the pressure increase over that of the set opening point, with the valve closure also in a more gradual rate. Whilst the pressure safety valve, such as Albion 642, have a fail-safe purpose to protect people and equipment, whilst they function, operation is similar to that of the pressure relief valves. There are some fundamental differences, and it is these differences as to why these valves are seen as a last resort safety measure to protect property and in some cases even life. These valves will pop open immediately to discharge the media when it is more than 10% of the set pressure or 0.1 bar above the set pressure, whichever is greater. When the set point is reached, they're designed to relieve the system or vessel of the dangerous overpressure as fast as possible to prevent pressure explosions. Therefore, the fundamental difference between these two valves is the discharge rate of pressure relief, or the speed to fully open, along with the reseating rate of the valve as it closes. Albion also offers the ART 645 pressure safety valve, which is designed to have a higher discharge capacity than that of the ART 642, size for size. This means it enables the client to have either a much higher discharge capacity for the same size valve, or be able to use a smaller size valve for the same application. This provides flexibility when quoting and helps to meet the client's exact requirements. Because these valves behave differently, they belong in very different parts of a system. Pressure safety valves must be installed on the main pressure vessel or the isolated piping as close as possible to the equipment that needs protection. They're built to react fast, open fully, and release the excess pressure safely. They're ideal because they activate at a precise set pressure, operate in a fail-safe manner, and function completely independently of any external power. Pressure relief valves, on the other hand, are typically positioned in a branch line, a bypass circuit, or return line to a reservoir. They're usually placed in either liquid or air steam circuits to maintain system stability and will experience a more continuous, controlled pressure. They slow down, if you like, the rate of the pressure increase. The valve is open when the system pressure rises to the relief valve's pressure set point and prevents the system's pressure from building further. Now let's look at when and how each valve should be used. As we know, pressure safety valves are used when there's any risk of dangerous pressure buildup. Pressure safety valves are critical components used in various industries to protect equipment, systems, and personnel from overpressure situations. Some common applications where pressure safety valves are used include steam boilers, pressure vessels, and in process industries, power generation, HVAC systems, and water systems. They're used in all of these areas because they provide instant automatic pressure release the moment the system exceeds its safe limit. However, pressure relief valves are used wherever overpressures are less rapid and the set pressure within the system needs to be maintained. Pressure relief valves serve a similar purpose to pressure safety valves in that they're designed to protect equipment, systems, and personnel from overpressure situations. Some specific applications where these are used include hydraulic systems, pneumatic air systems, compressors, gas systems, water heaters, boiler lines. Pressure safety valves must be set, sealed, and marked and registered. So remember, pressure safety valves are critical components used in various industries to protect plant and equipment and personnel from overpressure critical situations. with a sudden release of the overpressure. Pressure relief valves serve a similar purpose to pressure safety valves in that they are designed to protect equipment, systems and personnel from overpressure situations by relieving the excess pressure, but with a proportional release of that overpressure. That's all for today. I hope now you understand the difference between pressure safety valves and pressure relief valves, and you can now make a more informed decisions. Thank you for listening, and feel free to get in contact with our team should you need any more information.